Hello, good evening. I am MD Shahid Lamin. We will see today how to log into the SQL Server using uh, Windows authentication mode and SQL Server SQL Server authentication mode. So, and we will see it in both using the GUI and command prompt. So first of all, we will have to connect to our server, SQL Server. It's SQL4 is running. So let me start from the beginning. I have got a machine running SQL4, and we will go to the SQL Server Management Studio, and then we will log into our Windows authentication mode and also SQL Server authentication mode as well. So this is our server SQL4, and we're going to use the Windows authentication first. Connect, and here is it's connected. And let me see. We will try to log into the using SQL Server authentication mode as well. So here is the SA login account, and I'll write the password. Connect. Both way we are connected to the SQL Server. So we'll have to check using the configuration manager, then how to stop the multi-user services, and then log into the single user service, and then we'll again log in. We'll stop the service, and again we'll start the service in both SQL Server authentication mode and Windows mode as well. So let's go to the configuration manager first. Here, SQL Server 222, and here the configuration manager. And go to the configuration manager, go to the SQL Server running. So here you have to select the server and go to the properties, and then start a parameter. So you should have to remember that for the single user mode, we should have to go to the always go to the SQL Server configuration manager, SQL Server services, and then go to the server and select the server and select the properties. Then go to the startup parameters. And here for the single user mode, we have to write like -m, -m, dash m, whatever you want to pronounce it and do it. And here you have to put add button and apply, then OK. Yes, are you yes, so you should have to all changes made will be saved. However, they will not take effect until the service is stopped and restarted. So OK, select OK and OK, and now we should have to run our server, SQL Server, give restart. Until it's restarted, it will not affect. So it's restarting the services now. Yeah, it's restarted, and let's go to our SQL Server. You see, so let's uh, go out of the both of the services, and let's see. We can connect to the single user mode and the multi-user mode as well. So this is the single user, the Windows authentication mode. So click connect. It says login failed. SQL service is under single user. Only one administrator can connect this time. So it's not give us connection. So let's see the SQL Server authentication mode. Let's see it's the connect the server. It says server is in single user mode. Only one administrator can connect. So let's go out totally from the management studio and try it again. So go out also from the config. Leave it like this. They will need to come from there. So select the SQL Server. Oh, no, this is Management Studio is there. Now I will try to log into our Windows authentication mode first, and then I will try to log into the SQL Server authentication mode as well. Let's see if it takes place. Now it says server is in single user mode. Only one administrator can connect the single user. So let's see, we can do it. Uh, we can do it using the SQL Server authentication. Give the password. Login fail. User say it's not give us connection to. So now it's because it's Active Directory services. That's why we cannot uh, log into our server. It's supposed to log in at least any of the services, but it's not uh, giving us to get the connection. So can we try out this one, and let's see the restart our virtual machine, then we can check. Okay, let's pause my board video and I'll come back.